Hi everybody, we will now learn how to make ESET Antivirus working lifetime. In Google, search it ESET sign up to open the website of ESET. Click the first link. To open sign up page, you need an email, so every month we will add a fake email account using Mohmel. Mohmel is a website provide fake mails. I will change to English language. This is simple website for fake mails. You can delete, renew or change the mail. Click the mail itself, it's copied, and go to ESET sign up web page, paste here. It said it is used before, so return to Mohmel and get another email, change, copy the new one, go to ESET, paste here, continue, request password, enter password more than 10 character. You must cover all these 4 points. Okay, now I will cover all the requirement restrictions. More than 10 letter, one uppercase letter, one lowercase and one number. Select your country if you want. Leave this checkbox empty. This is for receive notification and emails. We didn't need this. Update password, and then the account open with new verification email sent to the email. Return to the fake mail Mohmel, update or press F5 key, function key. You will find a button for confirm. Click the confirm and it will open the confirmation and the account will be work. Change language to English. Now you in the account and you have the subscription, free subscription for 1 month. Open the details of subscription. You find the key, activation key here. Open ESET to add new activation code. Paste in this activation, copy and paste inside ESET Antivirus. Click activate and then it will work with you for a month. repeat these steps next month and use it forever. It is the best antivirus I used for both my laptop, PC, and even mobile device. Thank you. This is Ayman Khushoy from Binary Code Soft. See you in next hints. Bye.